habol ni amo ah. Guys, marami ng mga sumali sa show namin dito ngayon guys. Sila nag-start.
Games and entertainment. So it is sure to be a memorable day to each and every one of us, especially to the people of Barangay Isugan. So this event is in line with the Fiesta celebration of Barangay Isugan Bacong Negros Oriental. So, sad to say, because of the hectic schedule of the Honorable Barangay Captain Mark Anthony Vera Cruz, you will not be joining us, but probably later on you will be with us. So let's hear a few welcome message and opening remarks coming from one of our Sangguniang Kabataan Councilor, Rexon Ray Tan. Please give him a round of applause.
Okay, mayong hapon sa tanan. In behalf of our Sangguniang Kabataan of Isugan, Bacong Negros Oriental, and our SK Chairman, the absence of our SK Chairman, wala ko sa karon, so I am right here in front of you to welcome you all sa among first ever motor show sa Isugan. And we are glad na makita mo na rin na yung mga ipagdalang mga motor and to showcase your motor and wala na to kinsa ko yung best ani. And also sa competition nato na there is always a winner and a loser, but kainot na mapili man na karon or mudao as long